This was my first visit to Yoga Vidya Center. I'm very happy to see that you have created such good infrastructural facilities and a curriculum to educate trainers who can thereafter spread the message of yoga. I do the normal yoga practice of body, and I do a lot of pranayama and meditation. Yoga will have a tremendous impact on anyone who practices it because they do not see themselves as separate from everyone and everything around them. So in that sense, if you are a practitioner of yoga of any form, whether you do physical exercises, whether you do pranayama, or whether you do meditation, you see yourself essentially as part of one whole, which is oneness. There are no differences. With that, it would be very difficult for you to hurt anyone or anything. Hurting nature, hurting environment, hurting another person or another living being would be out of the question. So in that sense, it fosters oneness. And that will essentially lead to significant reduction in conflict, greater understanding, and greater harmony in the world.